What if I told you that anyone, and I mean anyone, could find out everything about you in under an hour? Your real name, your location, where you sleep, who you talk to. Sounds like a nightmare, right? It's called Osint, Open Source Intelligence, and it's changing the game forever. Osint is the art of collecting information from public sources, not hacking, not breaking in, just looking. In this video, I'm going to show you how investigators, hackers, and even regular people use Osint to uncover someone's entire digital footprint. Let's start with a fake name. Someone calls themselves XX Sniper Wolf XX Online. You want their real identity? Where do you begin? There's a chart on inteltechnics.com that maps out every possible data source: government records, court cases, business licenses, voter registration. But here's the problem: not every country gives you access, so you have to get creative. Enter Google Docs. Back in 2002, a researcher named Johnny Long discovered something terrifying. Certain Google searches could expose vulnerable systems and private information. He called them Google Docs, and they still work today. Type this into Google John Doe site, Instagram.com. You'll find every public mention of that name on Instagram. Add a minus sign and the target's username, and you'll see their comments and likes on other people's accounts. Want their resume, CV, or curriculum vitae, John Doe, Fight Light, PDF. Suddenly, you have their job history, their school, maybe even their phone number. And it's not just Google, Bing, Yandex, DuckDuckGo. Each one sees different pieces of the puzzle. Now let's talk about breaches. Every day, millions of accounts get leaked. Emails, passwords, personal details, and most of it ends up online. Go to haveyoubeenpwned.com, type in any email, you'll see exactly which breaches it's been caught in. Want more? Dhash.com shows you the actual passwords or their hashes linked to that email. Phone numbers are next. Hokeldme.com is a user-submitted database. Search a number, see who's been calling, but the real weapon is phone infoga. It pulls the carrier, the country, the line type, and then searches the web for footprints linked to that number. Now imagine you have a photo, upload it to Google Images or Tinai. You will see everywhere that image has appeared online, but here's the part nobody tells you about. That photo might contain EXIF data, the camera model, the date, even the GPS coordinates of where it was taken. Use EXIF tool or exifdata.com to read it. Use stolencamerafinder.com to see if the same camera was used elsewhere. And if you want to wipe that data before sharing a photo, exifpurge.com or virexif.com. Then there's Oxmin, social media intelligence. Facebook alone has nearly 3 billion users, and there are tools that rip through it like a knife. ExtractFace downloads every post, comment, photo, and piece of metadata from a profile, timestamps, locations, device info, all of it, Facebook, sleep stats. It analyzes when someone is online and offline to predict their sleep schedule. Now you know when they're awake and when they're vulnerable. But doing all this manually takes forever, so professionals automate Spiderfoot queries over 100 public data sources at once. The harvester harvests emails and domain information. ReconNG is a reconnaissance framework packed with modules for finding credentials, contacts, and vulnerabilities. And then there's Multego. Multego doesn't just find data, it connects it people, companies, websites, documents. It turns chaos into a web you can see and explore. This isn't paranoia, this is the reality of the internet. Every click, every like, every comment leaves a trail, and someone somewhere is already following it. If you made it this far, you know more than most people ever will. Link to the Google Docs database is in the description. Stay dangerous.